Do a video on my PSE Viper SS or SS Viper. Viper SS, a 50-pound pistol crossbow that I picked up. I removed the dry fire mechanism so I can shoot different size bolts through it. It was pretty easy, just pop one pin out. The bolts that come with it are kind of shitty. Vanes break, bolts break, and they're pretty inconsistent. These cheaper bolts that I got with an old one I bought at a gun and knife show years ago. I still had 3 of the bolts. These things are actually consistent and have yet to break them, so I'm gonna get some more of these at the next gun and knife show. So these ones are 0.31. Oh, that's upside down. And the ones from PSE 2.46. So for being thicker, they're just not nearly as nice. Pretty sweet crossbow. Took this little, I don't put this little foregrip on there. This is my second string I put on it. The first one I was good, but I tore the winding off of it by shooting I tried to fix one of the arrows with duct tape, and it shredded the serving. I'm sorry, the serving. So I'm gonna set it up real quick and shoot. I got target here. I think I can get about almost 20 yards here. Like a dummy, I lost count because I wasn't thinking. I was looking backwards. Alright, well, there's about 10 yards. That's what I'll go for now. Let me set this down. Alright, step back. I'm going to shoot 3 of the PSEs first. I'll put those ones, I'll go for the center target. Okay, now the 3 cheaper arrows, I will go top left. So yeah, so these ones are so inconsistent. You can see this one broke the end when I shot it. The 3 cheaper ones are fairly accurate. I was back 10 yards. Nothing I'd try to hunt with, but I wouldn't be if need be, I would use it, I guess. But so it's a pretty slick little bow. It's just one of my garage shooters between pellet guns, slingshots. I got my my SAS recon bow, but I'm like shooting that here because I can get 20 yards. I'm standing out there, but I don't want to fuck my wall up, so I'm going to take that out in a couple weeks. But that's it. Just wanted to do a quick video on this. I watched Jungle Ghost Survivals video, so what talked me into buying this. I've shot pencils through it. Shot a pencil through it. That worked pretty good. And I shot a straw through it. It stuck into a box. But I don't got nothing like that here, and I'm only got 1 string, so I don't want to ruin it.